What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delana Kagan, and yes, I'm back with another hair video. So I did these boho twists, and babe, let me tell you, fire. So I'm gonna need for y'all to stay tuned so y'all can see how I achieve this look. Period. Okay, so this is the hair that I'm going to use. It's a brand that I've never seen before. It's called Afro Nala Tress. Yeah. So anyway, it is 3 times Afro Spring. The color is burgundy. The inch is 36. And I got 3 packs. And they better do me good, okay? I guess this is in Janet collection, whatever. Loud ass birds. And I have this right here is beach curl, 18 inches. That's what I'm gonna use for the little curly piece that's gonna be hanging out. And this was $8.99 for these 3 packs. And this one is $6.99. So yes, this is the edge control that I got, $5.99. I don't really like it because they be leaving like that white stuff up in your hair, but it is what it is. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the hair outside of the pack. It's nice and soft. It has a cute little curl at the end. So I'm very interested to see how this is going to come out. Stay tuned. And subscribe to the channel, y'all.
Oh, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these daddies drunk. Before we drift any deeper, baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Love you guys.